Hi there, my name is Hemant. I'm the CEO and founder of Zigtex. Today I want to show you a glimpse of our platform Zigtex, which is an email automation platform built for SDRs, sales managers, and startup founders. So as soon as you sign in, Zigtex will take you to the dashboard page where you will be able to see the reports across the email sent and the campaigns. You can also download the report by clicking on export if you want to present it to someone. Now, if I want to check the active campaigns, I will simply click on campaigns and I will be able to see the number of campaigns which is active. And if I want to create or initiate a new campaign altogether, I will click on add campaign and here I will maybe paste the unsubscribe link, but for now I'm just writing remove and clicking on next. Now here you get the opportunity to customize the days that you want to send emails on, and also you can change the time zone based on your target audience. So for example, if I have a target audience based out of London, I will simply click on London, Europe, and I will choose the days that I want to send emails on. I will click on next. As soon as I click on next, it will ask me to upload the prospect list. So I click on upload file. I upload the prospect list and I proceed. So it will give me the notification that the prospect list has been successfully uploaded. Now I will click on next and I will maybe mention hello in the subject line. To make it more personalized, I will use the available merge tags. So I will use first name and last name. Also, you can add variant. So as soon as you click on variant, it will give you an opportunity to create two different email templates. So email template 1 and email template 2. So it's A/B testing for you, which will help you to do the analysis which email is getting you more results end of the day. So you can maybe use that email more frequently. It also allows you to add another step, which is basically your follow-up emails. So you do not need to send manual follow-ups. You just need to relax, create the email template here, and schedule it as per your days. So if I send first email on Monday, I want to send second email after 2 days, I will simply click on 2 days. I will write the subject line, I will write the content, and I will just send the emails. Now, when I when I'm done with the email content writing, I will click on next and Zigtex will take me to a review page. Now you can check the number of prospects that you have added, the total steps that you have added. You can also check the weekly schedule and if the time zones you have mentioned correctly. So once you feel that this is good to go, you simply need to click on launch and your campaign will be live. So apart from this, we also have inbox page. So it's a two-way sync. So whatever email server you are using, be it G Suite, be it Outlook, it will integrate with all the email accounts. And whatever emails that you have in your inbox, you can have a look here as well. So you do not need to go to your email account to check the emails. You can have the access from Zigtex as well. So we have prospect and companies feature, which is inline, and we will be completing that in phase 1. And this is what so far we have built. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.